Welcome, beautiful humans and devoted Mandarin Duck, and thank you for being here with Nature Studio, a quiet corner of the world where creativity, imagination, and the gentle spirit of nature meet. Today's journey is not just about ideas or inspiration. It is about sharing a peaceful moment together, a reminder that even in a fast-moving world there is still space for calm creativity, thoughtful reflection, and the simple joy of making something meaningful with our hands and our hearts. If you are watching or reading this, you are already part of a growing community that believes creativity does not need to be loud or complicated to be powerful. Sometimes the most beautiful ideas are the quiet ones, the ones that begin with a small spark of curiosity while looking at a leaf, a stone, a drop of water, or the graceful movement of a bird across a calm lake. Nature Studio was created for people who enjoy those moments, people who feel inspired by the colors of the forest, the patterns in flowing rivers, the golden glow of sunset light through trees, and the gentle rhythm of the natural world that surrounds us every day. This space exists because of you, the viewers who take a little time out of busy schedules to slow down, watch, imagine, and create. Your support truly means more than words can fully express, because every like, every share, and every thoughtful comment tells the algorithm and the world that creativity and calm inspiration still matter. If you are enjoying today's creative ideas here on Nature Studio, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below to let us know what inspired you the most. Your encouragement helps this faceless channel grow and keeps the creativity flowing like a gentle river through a quiet valley. Each small action you take supports the continuation of this journey, allowing more ideas, more peaceful visuals, and more moments of inspiration to reach people who might need a little spark of creativity in their day. The beauty of creativity is that it does not belong to any single person. It moves from one mind to another like seeds carried by the wind, planting new possibilities wherever they land. Perhaps today you will see an idea that encourages you to start a small project. Maybe something simple like arranging natural objects on a table, sketching a scene from memory, crafting something handmade, or simply stepping outside and observing the quiet details that often go unnoticed. Inspiration can come from the curve of a feather, the reflection of clouds on water, the symmetry of leaves, or the delicate balance found in the smallest corners of nature. When we pay attention to these details, creativity begins to feel less like effort and more like a conversation with the world around us. That is the spirit behind Nature Studio, a gentle reminder that creativity already exists everywhere, waiting to be noticed, appreciated, and transformed into something new. Your presence here helps that spirit continue to grow. Every viewer who pauses to watch becomes part of the story, part of a shared moment where ideas flow freely without pressure or expectation. This channel may be faceless, but it is not without heart. Behind every scene, every creative concept, and every quiet moment of inspiration is the intention to bring calm, beauty, and thoughtful creativity into your day. When you choose to like, share, or subscribe, you help carry that intention forward so it can reach someone else who might be searching for a moment of peace or a burst of inspiration. Creativity has a wonderful way of connecting people who may never meet, yet still share the same sense of wonder when looking at the natural world. Somewhere across the globe, another viewer may be watching the same idea and imagining their own version of it, perhaps using different colors, different materials, or a completely new perspective. That is how creative energy spreads, quietly but powerfully, turning a simple moment of inspiration into something that travels far beyond the screen. Thank you for spending your time with Nature Studio today. Time is one of the most valuable things we have, and choosing to spend even a few minutes here means a great deal. It means you believe in slowing down enough to notice beauty, enough to explore imagination, enough to let creativity breathe. I truly hope these ideas inspired you to create something meaningful, whether that means starting a project today or simply looking at the world around you with fresh eyes. The journey of creativity does not end when the video finishes. It continues in your thoughts, your hands, and your everyday moments. Perhaps later today you will see a pattern in the clouds or hear the sound of wind moving through leaves and suddenly remember that inspiration can arrive anywhere. That quiet spark is the beginning of something wonderful. If you enjoyed the journey today, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Your support keeps this creative space alive and growing, helping new ideas blossom with every video. Each subscriber becomes part of the Nature Studio story, a community built not on faces or fame, but on shared curiosity and appreciation for the simple beauty that surrounds us. As we continue this path together, there will always be more ideas waiting to be explored, more creative possibilities hidden within the textures and colors of the natural world. The adventure of imagination never truly ends. It simply evolves, guiding us toward new perspectives and fresh inspiration. So keep creating, keep observing, and keep allowing nature to remind you that beauty often lives in the quietest places. Thank you again for being here, for supporting this journey, and for helping this small creative corner of the internet grow with kindness and inspiration. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, keep exploring the gentle wonders of the natural world, and we will meet again very soon here at Nature Studio.